Welcome to Mahasainik Happy Homes, घर से घर तक. Welcome to Mahasainik Happy Homes, घर से घर तक. This complete floor is dedicated for Mahasainik Happy Homes family only. And this is the place where your parents will be taken care of. And now it's time for me to show you exactly what does your parents' house looks like. Everything has been taken care of in the house, including a living area, and also for recreational purposes, there is a television also in the living area. Now, these are the comfortable couches where your parents can sit in their relaxation and watch TV if they are not busy chit-chatting with each other. In the living area, you will also get a common toilet and washroom, which is right over here. And if they need fresh air, here is the source of fresh air, which is a very cute sit-out and a balcony area, which is also being provided. A family that eats together stays together, and that's the reason there is a very beautiful dining area right over here for the families that would be living together in the house. And right over here is the wash basin, because it has to be right next to the dining table for the convenience of your parents. And right next to the dining table over here is the kitchen that will be completely operational. And here is your dry balcony. And now it's time for me to show you the bedrooms. This is the one type of the bedroom that would be there. Now this has a double bed occupancy for both the parents in case they plan to stay here, and we're also providing a cupboard for them so that they can have their storage here. Now this room comes with a special addition, and that is a beautiful view from the balcony. This is the kind of greenery that is going to make them really happy, and it's also very pleasant because of the wind that's blowing, something that's going to keep your parents happy whenever they sit over here. And this is the attached washroom that comes with this bedroom. The bathroom comes with extra care as well. It comes with these anti-skid tiles on the flooring, so that extra care has been taken of your parents. Along with that, the walls will also have designer dado tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings that are the taps and the showers are going to be a part of this washroom. And here is the mixed bedroom. Now this one comes with 3 separate provided beds, and every bed comes with a bedside table, which is going to be very useful for them because it comes with a drawer and a cupboard attachment, so that they can keep their medicines and their water bottles right next to their bed. Along with that, because this room comes with 3 beds, there are going to be 3 different cupboards that are going to be provided. Every cupboard would be a personal one for every occupant over here. Along with that, for ventilation and for the room to stay well lit, there is a window that is right over here that comes with these sliding windows, and also a grill outside for safety. But the view cannot be safeguarded because this is the best view that you can get all across the city. This house comes with 3 bedrooms. The first one I showed you was a couple bedroom, and the next was a mixed dorm. Now it's time to show you the 3rd bedroom that is also a mixed dorm. Come, let me show it to you. Here we enter right into the bedroom that will come with 3 beds. And these are the 3 beds that come with an individual bedside table as well. This is exactly where, like I showed you in the previous room, your parents can keep their medicines or their water bottles. And every bed comes with a personalized cupboard, a wardrobe as well. As you can see, with 3 beds, there are 3 different wardrobes. And along with that, yet another window that comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net and a grill as well. Right over here is the attached toilet and washroom for this room.